guys, it's Ilana and welcome back to my channel. So I actually wanted to do this video for next week, but it came a lot earlier than I thought it was going to, so I was like, whatever, screw it, I'll just do this video now. But it is my June Stitch Fix unboxing. In case you want to know what a Stitch Fix is, it is a personal styling service that is a subscription. It can be done every other 2 to 3 weeks. It can be monthly. You change the timeline of how often you want to get your fixes, and there is a styling fee that usually comes with it. However, I want to talk to you about a new game-changing twist to Stitch Fix because I just signed up for it. So this is actually my first Stitch Fix using the Style Pass. So the Style Pass is basically where you pay $49. That's right, only $49 for the whole entire year. And that $49 is still a credit to your account, so you can use that to deduct money off your total fix or whatever you're going to be spending on your Stitch Fix. And the best part is that there are no styling fees every time your fix is being made. And you don't feel pressured to buy anything because you're not going to be out of money. And that $49, like I mentioned, it's credited to your account, so it's even more money taken off. How cool is that? It is literally an absolute game changer. I don't know why I've signed up for a Style Pass. I think I was just like, I don't know, $49. I don't want to spend the money on that right now. But now I have, and I'm excited about it. So, the theme that I have with this unboxing is a Kim Kardashian / Kylie Jenner inspired Stitch Fix. Yes. I actually do like the Kardashians and the Jenners. I personally feel that they are fashion icons, and a lot of their style and fashion is very like LA-based fashion. It's a little bit more revealing than what most people would wear, but I kind of like a lot of their stuff. I mean, there's only so much that I could pull off because there's some things that I'm just not comfortable wearing, and then there's some things that they wear that I would be perfectly comfortable wearing. So I'm really curious to see how my stylist did this fix. But for my note, like, I requested that I wanted a Kardashian / Jenner inspired Stitch Fix. I'm a little nervous. I hope Susie was able to pull this off. Enough talking. You want to know what's inside this box, so let's go ahead and see what's inside my Kylie Jenner / Kim Kardashian inspired Stitch Fix. Okay, so as always, your Stitch Fix will come with like a return envelope for all the products that you are not keeping. Then every single Stitch Fix comes with a note from your stylist. Here we go. Oh, and then this is the invoice. Hi, Ilana. Welcome to Fix number 14. I hope you're having a great month, and thanks for mentioning the styles you were looking for this month. I was not able to include the exact styles you have pinned or similar to the Fashion Nova site, but I have found several items I hope you love, and be sure to let me know what you think. I did kind of pull some of my looks from Fashion Nova's website to see if Stitch Fix had any similar pieces. And if you don't know what Fashion Nova is, just go to their website because a lot of their pieces are very like LA fashion based. Kylie Jenner wears a lot of Fashion Nova. She is always sponsored by them and is always wearing their clothes, yada yada yada. But yeah, that's kind of where I wanted some inspiration from. Anywho, let's get started with the American Able knit top that has the cutout to give you the edgy vibe Kim and Kylie would wear. You can pair this with the distressed jeans from Just Black and you will look great. Add black heels and the Edyson jacket and you'll be ready for a night out. You can also wear these jeans with the LBB bodysuit or the Kaileigh cold shoulder that looks similar to the other items you have pinned. I will include similar items in your next fixes if you are open to it. Let me know. Cheers, Susie. Susie, I'm always open to more Kim and Kylie looks. Just letting you know. Okay, so this is interesting. So I have a jacket, I got a cold shoulder top, skinny jeans. Okay, like I got a bunch of stuff and a bodysuit. Okay, I'm really excited, and I might have to go along with her suggestions on how to kind of style the pieces together based on the note. So, the first item here, I guess this is the jacket. Yes, okay, so this is the Edyson Maisha point and faux leather jacket. Thank God it's faux leather. And this retails for $88. So because this is just a jacket, I don't want to just like wear the jacket. So I'm gonna kind of create an outfit. I'm gonna wear the jacket with the bodysuit that was mentioned and the distressed pants, and I will go ahead and show you all those first before I put them on and tell you the prices. Okay, so here is the bodysuit. I've never owned a bodysuit. I've always wanted a bodysuit, so I'm like really excited that I got one. Okay, so the bodysuit is $32, which is not bad at all. These are the pants. She mentioned that they're distressed. Okay, yeah, they have holes. I see them. I've never bought distressed pants just because I've never been into pants with holes, and I can't really wear those to work. But I am going to try them on and see how they look. And the pants are $70. Okay, so that's pretty typical. They are by Just Black. I've gotten a lot of Just Black pants in my fixes, and they do range from like $70 to $88. So pretty standard on the price. I have like an outfit planned, and I think she mentioned to wear these with some black heels. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that right there, and I will be right back. With the jacket, I really like it. It's very comfortable. It's not complete leather, but it's a very fun going out in the town and night out jacket compared to my other leather jacket that I have. And I think I am going to keep the jacket. Despite it being $88, at least I have that Style Pass credit. That's definitely going to knock down the price of that a lot. As far as the bodysuit goes, the bodysuit, like, it fits. It's an extra small, which is the size I got it, but still feels like a little too tight. And what was weird about it is that there were snaps on the crotch part, and I thought that was really weird. And I'm not sure if I like that. I feel like that's gonna drive me crazy. And what if that just like unsnaps when I'm walking? That's just not gonna be a good time. So I'm not gonna keep the bodysuit. And as far as the pants go, I mean, as cool as the pants are, I just can't deal with the distressed pants and the holes in the knees. It's too much, and they are $70, and I really am just not feeling the pants. So I will not be keeping this. So right now I am just keeping the jacket, but let's see how the other two shirts look on. Okay, so for the next item that I have is the American Eagle Dafni Cutout Detail Knit Top in black. So this is what she mentioned earlier for that edgy look. This is it right here. So I will be right back, and I will try it on with the pants and the jacket. So for the shirt, I absolutely love it. I am loving this like cross, like, I don't know how to describe the pattern with the stitching and the lines, but I absolutely love it. It is definitely an edgy look. It looks very fierce and edgy. I think Susie did a really good job with this choice, and as well as making a great suggestion to wear the jacket with the shirt and these pants. It is a very good look. Even if I'm not keeping the pants, I still have black denim jeans that I could still wear with this look. So I'm very excited about this shirt. Okay, so for this shirt, please excuse my sports bra. I didn't feel like changing out of it just to show off the straps, but I really do like this shirt. It is very cute. I'm not really sure why Susie included this as part of the Kardashian Jenner theme, because I don't really see this as anything that they would wear, especially the style of the shirt and the pattern on the shirt. I've never really seen Kylie or Kim wear paisleys and flowers on their shirts. Maybe I have been living under a rock, but I do follow both of them on Instagram, and I can tell you that I have not seen that. It is a very cute shirt. I am going to keep it because it is really cute. It is something I would wear. I was just a little bit confused to why it was included in this box, but no big deal. I am gonna get it. Okay, so now that I've tried on all 5 items, it's now to do the price breakdown of everything. So the Stylist Picks subtotal was $262. If I were to buy all 5 items at the 25% discount, that would take away $65.50, leaving me at a new order subtotal at $196.50. But with the Style Pass credit, you knock off another $49, and it leaves me with $147.50 fix. Just super cheap for all 5 items. I am really curious to see how much all 3 items that I plan on getting are. And so just to refresh your memory, I am going to be getting the Maisha Point and faux leather jacket from Edyson, which is $88. And then I am going to be getting the Kylie, the shirt that I'm wearing right here, the Kylie Rochdale cold shoulder top, which is $44. And then finally, I'm going to be getting the American Eagle detail knit top, that black shirt that I just tried on, and that is $28. So all three of those items are going to total out to be $160. But just remember, with the styling credit minus $49, that is $111. So there is a $36 difference if I were to get all 5 items as opposed to keeping just 3 items. I think $36 is a big price difference, and so I'm not going to be keeping all 5 items and sell the other 2 pieces because I think $36 is a big difference to begin with. However, if this was like a $3 or $6 difference, then yeah, I would sell the pants and the bodysuit on like Facebook or something to see if anyone would want to buy it. But yeah, so just so nobody yells at me for being like, why didn't you use the Facebook group? Why didn't you sell it? This is why I'm doing this. $36 difference. I will not be keeping all 5 items just because it is a $36 difference. I have to make that clear for you like 5 million times, okay? Okay guys, so that completes this Kim Kardashian / Kylie Jenner inspired Stitchfix for the month of June. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure you subscribe to my channel as I post new videos on Mondays. Oh, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.